and welcome back to the channel. My name is Payal Anand and I make really simple and easy to understand videos on French grammar and on DELF examination. Yes, for that you have to check my playlist on which I have made the expression ecrite and expression oral videos, like how the examination goes on, what are the questions they ask during the expression oral. As we all know, there are two sets of questions they ask during the expression oral, and for expression ecrite also I have made the videos. Do check the videos. And from now today onwards I am starting with the new series mainly for the people who are really much new to this language. I am making the videos for DELF A1 examination so that you can score good marks. Not only good marks, you can easily understand the concept, why there are rules behind the French grammar, as what I heard that like a lot of people say there are very much of rules in French grammar. That I will be making really much clear with the help of my videos. So let's start with the first topic of the day, pronoun sujet. Pronoun sujet means subject, means I, you, he, she, we, you for formal and they for the third person plural. I'm starting with je, je. There are two je apostrophe. We use je apostrophe whenever the following verb is starting with the verb. In today's video, I will just explaining the pronoun sujet. From the further videos, you will understand why there are two je. Je means I. First person singular. Je. For example, in English, we say I am tall. For that I will be using je. Tu means you. We have standard you in English grammar, you for the second person singular and second person plural also. For the formal and informal, we simply use you. But in French grammar, it goes quite like your Hindi grammar. We use tu. As per Hindi, it's tu. Whenever we are not giving respect to the person or for the person who is younger to you, at that time we use tu. That's your tu. Informal, tu, the people who are younger to you, or you can by calling your friends. You need to use tu. Second person singular. Only one first person. I am first person. Second person to whom I am talking. If that person is younger to me, I can call that person by saying tu. In Hindi also we say tu. If the person is younger to us, we say tu to that person. Third thing is il. Il means he. First person to whom the person who is standing in front of me is my second person, and the person who is not here, but I am talking about the third person singular. It will be il, means he. For example, Payal is a first person, Rajiv is a second person, and Prisha is a third person here between our conversation. If I want to talk about some person like Sam and he is not present between us, I will be representing him with the he, or in French I will be representing it with il. Il, third person singular. Elle, we will be using she. Elle means she. First person Payal, Rajiv is second person, Prisha is third person, and she is a girl. I will be representing her with elle. I'm talking about her, elle. Third person singular. For example, I'm making it more clear. For example, Sam is handsome. Sam is tall. What I'm repeating again and again is Sam. In this segment, After the full stop in the second sentence, I don't want to repeat the Sam word again. Instead of using Sam, in English, we will be using he. But in French, I will be replacing it with il. Il. I'm replacing Sam in French with il. It goes with the she also, like Sylvie. Sylvie is tall. Sylvie is beautiful. Sylvie is our subject. Sylvie is tall, full stop. Again, the word Sylvie is there. I don't want to repeat the word Sylvie here. What we do in English, we replace it with she. In English, we replace it with she. But in French, we will be replacing it with elle. Sylvie is tall, and not repeating the Sylvie word, I will be using elle here. Now we are starting with the plural form. The plural of I in English is we. What is I in French? It's je or je apostrophe, and we is nous. Nous. It means we all also. For example, my mother and me are happy. Full stop. My mother and me are tall. I'm including myself in it. That's why it's we. How we will be replacing it in English? My mother and me are happy. I have repeated my mother and me in the second sentence also. How do we replace it? We replace it with we. In English, my mother and me are happy. We are tall. How to replace we? By putting nous in French. Nous means we or we all. Second plural is vous, means you. In Hindi, we say aap for giving a respect to someone. But in French, we say vous for giving a respect to the elder person. Or if I'm representing a collective noun, at that time also we say vous, means you all are. For example, you are handsome. You are tall. I'm talking to an elder person. In Hindi, we say aap. Aap bade hain. How do we replace it with you in English? But in French, for giving respect, we say vous. We say vous. And if I want to take it in a collective noun, for example, you all are my kids. Again, this is a collective noun. How do we replace? By saying you all in English. But in French, we have to replace it with vous. For taking it as a collective noun. For the formal you also, we have to use vous. And if it's in a plural form, like a lot of kids are sitting in front of me or a lot of professors are in front of me, so I have to represent by saying vous. The plural of he is they in English, and that is il in French, masculine plural. For example, the boys are handsome. The boys are tall. What I am repeating here? The boys. The word boys is repeating here. How do we replace? By saying they. we have simple they for masculine and feminine, but in French we have different they for the masculine and feminine. We replace it with the they by simply saying they because we are talking about the boys, but in French we have to replace the same thing by saying il. Il, masculine plural. The people who are not in front of me, but I am talking about them. They, plural. One more condition is there. If 99 girls are there and one boy is there, at that time also, as per the French rule, we take il. Il. For example, Ramesh and Sylvie. We simply replace it with they in English, but in French we have to take ils. One boy, one girl, or 99 girls and one boy also makes your il form. Il, masculine, plural form. The plural of she is they in English, but in French we have separate they for feminine plural, that's elle. That means elle, feminine plural. For example, Sylvie and Rita are tall. Sylvie and Rita are cute. What I am repeating here, Sylvie and Rita in the second sentence also, how do we replace? By saying they in English. Sylvie and Rita are tall by saying they are tall. But in French, we replace it with the elle form. Elle, plural, feminine, plural. That's a final pronunciation. I will explain again. Je means I, first person singular. Tu means you, or as per Hindi it's tu. Il means he, third person singular. Elle means she, third person singular. By saying, if I would want to repeat the word he, for example, Ram, if I say Ram, or if I say il, they both the meaning same. Elle, Rita, or elle. Nous, we, or we all. Vous, you, for giving respect to the elder person, or for the collective noun. Vous, il, they, masculine plural. A lot of boys are there, or 99 girls and one boy is also there. At that time also we will be using il, elle, simply for feminine plural. I hope I made really simple videos, easy to understand the topic. If you really like my videos, please hit the bell icon so that whenever I will be making more videos, you will get the notification that I have made the video. I have uploaded the video on the YouTube channel. And my next upcoming topic is on articles. Stay tuned and please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Over.